Have we just created the best sounding 4-cylinder car? Take a listen. What's the setup? Everybody's asking why this 4-cylinder B48 G20 330i sounds so good. Freeflow downpipe. We have a mid resonator and mid cat delete, and then we have the Valvetronic axle back system in the rear, offering huge flexibility. This car is so fun now with this exhaust. Listen. Tons of cracks as well. In this video, we're going to show you guys all the different particulars of this exhaust setup for your G20 330i. I'll put the windows up so you can hear me a little bit more clearly. And of course, with the Valvetronic theme, put the car back in comfort. Valves closed, and there's no drone in here. The car is completely straight piped, free flow with the valves open. With the valves closed, it's really nice and docile in here. Go along the highway, 75 miles an hour, no drone, no unwanted frequencies. It's the best experience for G20 330i. You can have a free flow race setup that sounds incredible, tons of pops and cracks, but of course, you have the ability to close it at any time. With the factory settings, this car reuses the OEM valve control. So you drop the car in sport, it opens up, pops and cracks, close it, put the car in comfort, and it's just like the car is bone stock. Or maybe it has like a Resonator delete or something, which is great. We're gonna put you guys inside, outside, interior clips. Gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys can hear the entire sound characteristics of this G20 330i. Personally, I think this exhaust setup, transmission, and kind of ethos of the car fits together very well. The car is just, it's just fun. And it's really enjoyable with this exhaust setup. You get those fun whip cracks on the shifts. It's just a super enjoyable sound experience. So excited to bring this setup to you guys. Again, we're going to show you all the different sound criteria of how this system is able to be enjoyed by you if you want the best sounding G20 330i. For now, let's get to some more sound clips. I'll put myself back in sport. It's maybe like the best sounding turbocharged 4-cylinder. It really is. It's so fun. Also, it revs so high, you get all the sound up high. Listen. So now we're going along 75 miles an hour. Valves closed, comfort mode, no drone. The car again sounds like it's bone stock.